Hello and welcome to my channel Pro Guidelines. Today I am going to show you how you can remove background of any image using online website and without the knowledge of any graphics design tool like Adobe Photoshop. And you might be needing some images with the background removed. Maybe you will need it for product listings or for a thumbnail of your YouTube video. So I'm going to show you how you can do it in minutes without any special expertise. So let's navigate to the website remove.bg, and it's a very user-friendly website. So I have already downloaded two images and I want to remove their backgrounds. So what I need to do is that I have to upload those images using this button, or I can just drag and drop this image uh, on this website. So it is uploading the image, and as well as it will remove its background while it uploads. So it will do the job itself. Okay, let's wait because this image is having a huge size, so it's loading the image. Okay, great. So we have removed the background, and now we can download it as it is, or we can edit it to replace a background. So, for example, if you want to upload our custom background that we need to apply at the background, then we can upload the background using upload section. And if you want to apply a colored background, um, or here are some by default backgrounds available, you can replace it by applying any one of it. Okay, so so it has applied another background. Let me apply this one. Or if we need a solid color background, we can also select it by clicking on this color button. So let me choose a color like this one, or let me select the preset colors available here. Let me select this one. Okay, so I have applied this color as well. So let me select let me download it. Okay, first, so let me click on download image, and the image is downloaded. Okay, so let me zoom it so you can see the quality of the image, and I don't need any special expertise to remove background from any image. Okay, so let me remove the background of this image, and I will drag and drop it. Okay, so it will upload the image as well. And we can apply the same operations on it by going to edit, and now we can blur the background as well. So it has applied some kind of effect at the background, but I want to keep it by default as it is, and I want to change its background. I can upload my own background, or I can select default colors available here. Let me select this one. Okay, so guys, you can see that it's very easy to remove any background without any special expertise of softwares like Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so I think this video is very useful for you. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends and family members, and like it as well. And please uh, post a comment below the video, and it will be an inspiration for me to make some more videos for you, to bring some more useful videos for you. So guys, it's a new channel, and I'm planning to post very informative content on it that mostly people need, and they don't know about um, some things on the internet, or maybe some technical things that they need to apply during their work. So please, guys, support me and like my channel, subscribe it, and share my videos as well. And please don't forget to comment. Okay, thank you. Let me stop it.